The re-examination of John Lam by Senior Counsel Kenneth Tan today gave a fuller picture of issues raised by the lead prosecution Mavis Cheon this past week. Over the last 3 days, the prosecutor had put to Lam that he simply rubber-stamped approval for investments without due diligence. She also questioned his responsibility as the church's board member in protecting the interests of CHC, and alleged that he was aware of paperwork that had been falsified with the intention to mislead the auditors. In winding up the prosecution's cross-examination, Cheon sought to establish that the investments in Extron and Ferna were used to disguise the use of City Harvest Church's building fund for the crossover project, and that Lam and his co-defendants were fully aware of it. Lam disagreed. Throughout the cross-examination, Lam tapped on his experience as an accountant to address the prosecution's allegations regarding his thought process regarding the personal guarantee by Wahyu Hanafi, the secret letter, the deliberations done regarding Extron and Ferna bonds, and the crossover project. The DPP also lobbied accusations at Lam based on new evidence submitted by co-defendant Chew Eng Han, prompting rigorous objections from the defense team. The 2013 email showed Lam informing Chew that co-defendants Sharon Tan and Serena Wee wanted to meet up to talk about the round-tripping charges, and that it was preferable for them not to have differing views from one another. The DPP asked, "Wouldn't an accused person who is honest just go to court and tell the truth, instead of trying to meet up with his co-accused persons, worrying about their taking a different view from him on the charges?" At that, Srinivasan, counsel for Tan Yi Ping, stood up and objected to the insinuation that consulting one's co-accused was a dishonest act. Even an honest person in a joint trial will be concerned about all the evidence, including the evidence of the co-accused, he reminded the court. "I'm objecting to the fact that the entry of this document is being used to make insinuations that are unfounded," he said. The judge allowed the question, however, leading Lam to testify that he disagreed with the DPP's suggestion. The judge questioned Lam on how Hanafi could be listed as a creditor to Extron while he also stood as personal guarantor. Lam explained that Hanafi had provided the loan for Extron to repay the church the advance rental when CHC terminated the advance rental license agreement. At the close of re-examination today, Lam declared his commitment to safeguard the interests of the church. He always did his best to help the church in his capacity as a board member, and that was a role on top of his normal job. He said that just because he wasn't involved in everything doesn't mean that he didn't care. He trusts that others are working hard to solve the problems. Court is adjourned till Monday, 11th of August, when Kong Hee will take the stand. For more information, log on to citynews.sg. This is Wayne Chung for City News, Singapore.